Thanks for coming back and checking out another challenge lock. We've got a challenge lock that's been pinned up by Starrylock, and it says the threading's been done by Half Zipp, and it works lovely. I'll take it out of the vice actually to show you. It's an Abus padlock, 7240. Oh, put it in upside down, there we go, that way. And there's the key. I think it's called Isle of Roke, or Isle of Rock. Roke? I don't fucking know. Anyway, let's see if I can get it open. I think I'll maybe try the SS Dev to start with, and a little tension tool from Jason. Oh, if I can keep hold of it. There's a bit of movement in the course. There's obviously lots of spools in there, and if there's threading, finding it difficult now to find another binder. All the pins. Oh, flung the fucking tension tool out as we opened it up. And I'm really pleased with that. But you could see how much I was letting the tension tool come back and on the counter rotation. I've not gutted one of these before on camera, I don't think. I do want to gut it, but I don't want to fuck it up on camera. Oh, shit. Let's see. I'm reluctant. I know Starrylock would want me to. I would gut it, but just doing it on camera with these types of padlocks, I'm happy to do the Euros and that. But these I'm just a little bit less confident with when I'm taking them to pieces. We'll see. I'm assuming alright. Well, I can lock it back up because I've got the key, so that's not a problem. And that is fully open, yeah. Yeah, you can see that is. Wow, look at that, what a catch. And I didn't lose any fucking fingers. But to me, that's not going to be a normal size follower. No. So far so good. And actually, yeah, that does it like that, okay. So, where are we? So, clip off. Shim in. There we go. Not so bad. As you can see, 6 pins, all needed to be picked. And I'll show these in more detail when they're all out. And I can see straight away we've got threading in there. And I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. And there you can see it's threading in 1. 2 is standard, 3 is threaded, 4 looks standard, 5 is threaded, and 6 is standard. Beautiful threaded pin there. Serrated pin I meant to say. And there's threading in the Bible on that one. Is this a pin in pin? Drunken spool. Drunken spool. That is a pin in pin. And you can see, well, I'm not sure if you can see, but there is threading down there in those, in the Bible, of at least a few of those. Not all of them. would say 1, 3 and 5. But yeah, let's have a look at those pins. Wicked pin work in there, mate. Look at that. Some beautiful serrations, tight close ones in there, and beautiful keeping there. Standard keeping in here, and you've got a pin in pin. It looks like the outer sleeve was also serrated. Single serration there, which you'll get the click on that and you'll think, yeah, that's it, that's set. Big spool there, tapered serrated, and another tapered serrated sharp looking fucking thing there, and obviously we've got serrations there, so yeah, and a nice torpedo pin there and all. So that was a great lock, and yeah, thanks for sending me that, John. I really appreciate that, and a great lock by Starrylock. Check them out on YouTube. When I opened the parcel, I recognised the bag because I've got this Starrylock sticker stuck on my desk. So yeah, great lock, and that's my first one from Starry, so yeah, brilliant.